after reaching 12 months of age ng mga bullies na to, upon measuring po ng kanilang adult height, we will now figure out kung saan po sila. Nasa standard bully po ba sila or pocket bully po sila. Sobrang dami po, nagkasabay-sabay na po sila. So it's up to the judge kung paano niya papakiusapan ng mga handlers para makita yung totoong gating o yung best gate. Hindi po talaga madaling mag-judge. So we have representative from Manila, from Baguio, the Far East Bullies, FBI, NBK. Yan. Yan, nakaharap na po sila. Ma-appreciate po natin ang kanilang bulliness. Bulliness. Despite their being bully, they have to stack, properly stack, so that their conformation will be observed in kung sino yung best. Overall structure, show performance, ring performance will win according to the ABKC standard.